Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code 32 with AMD Ryzen processor on your Windows 10 computer. So the first step is to go ahead and restart your computer. Sometimes simply restarting the computer takes care of the problem. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check. If still you're receiving the error message, go ahead and update the driver from the device manager. So open device manager, make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager. Now go to processor, expand processor over here. Now over here you will find your AMD processor. In my case, I don't have AMD processor. So in your case, you will find AMD processor. So just make sure that you make a right click on AMD processor and then click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and then select all the driver one by one and then try to install the driver. So select the second one and then click on next and then install it and then restart your computer. That error should go away. Now for many users, while selecting the drivers, they select advanced micro device and then you select AMD processor and then click on next to install the driver, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. So just make sure that you make a right click over here on the AMD processor, update driver, browse my computer, then let me pick, and then select all the driver one by one. So if you have a multiple list over here, select one by one and update your driver, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. The next step is to and uninstall the driver and then restart your computer. So again, open device manager and then expand processor. Now over here you will find your AMD processor. Just make a right click, then click on uninstall device, click on uninstall. So uninstall all the AMD Ryzen processor driver from here, which has a yellow exclamation mark. And after you uninstall, once the uninstall is done, go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now, if nothing is working, in that case, you can go ahead and update your driver from AMD website. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to the AMD website. Now over here, you will find auto detect feature. So you can go ahead and download this tool, and this tool will help you to automatically detect and install the required drivers on your computer. Or you can go ahead and simply go ahead and select processor, select your AMD Ryzen processor, and from here you can go ahead and select your processor and then click on submit and then install it from the website. And the next step is to perform system restore. To perform system restore, just type in system restore in Windows search box and then click on create a restore point. Now click on system restore, then click on choose a different restore point, then click on next. And over here you might find multiple date and time over here. So select the date and time on which date you were not receiving the error message. So suppose you started receiving the error message today, so you can select a date and time for yesterday or maybe day before yesterday. So select date and time on which date you were not receiving the error code 32 and then click on next, and then you can click on finish. And once the system restore is done, you can go ahead and check the error should go away. Now if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update the system BIOS. To update the system BIOS, go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have Dell computer, go to Dell. If you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. For example, I'm showing for Dell. So go ahead and select your model number. So make sure that you select your model number and go to your system manufacturer website. And from the website, you can go ahead and go to drivers and download page. And then you can go ahead and select the BIOS and download the BIOS. And once the download is complete, run the BIOS exe file. Now, before you update the BIOS, in case of laptop, make sure the battery on your computer is more than 10% and the charger is connected to the computer, and disconnect all the external devices and then update the BIOS. And once the update is done, you can go ahead and try to check the device manager and still you are receiving the error 32, make sure that you go to the manufacturer website, the AMD website, and download and install the driver once again. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.